The backstitch chain stitch is a simple hybrid stitch. It is made using a combination of two basic stitches, the chain stitch and the backstitch. Start by making a row of the chain stitch. I'm using 6 strands of the embroidery floss. This is a beautiful stitch if you want to create a decorative outline or play around with color combinations. It creates a perfect delicate stitch for borders and edgings. After finishing with the chain stitch, start making back stitches between the loops of the chain. So consider it like connecting 2 loops with a back stitch. You can use a contrasting color for a nice effect. I'm using 3 strands for the back stitches. Using the same color will create a filled and bold line. I hope you liked this stitch. If you have, drop us a comment and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also, check out our ebook store from the link in the description. You can also support us through Patreon. Again, the link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching.